I went to school here at Vanderbilt. I'm really excited at the response from the students. A close friend of mine, Jaden Smith. The whole point is to lift the awareness of how serious this climate crisis is and how available the solutions are. There have been many great social movements in our history where young people have picked up the theme and awakened the conscience of those of us who are older.
It is something that we need to recognize that we are, as a generation, are responsible for addressing this huge issue. I think I'm glad that it's coming from somebody as distinguished as Al Gore.
Please join me in welcoming back to Vanderbilt Vice President Al Gore.
It's really amazing just to see these people on the stage and see them in real life. You know, they're real and they really do care and they really do want to talk about the things they're invested in, and the passion that they have is just amazing.
I'm proud to be right here at Vanderbilt University, where I was a student and which I love so much.
Vanderbilt is really an elite institution, and also it's creating kind of change makers, right? Because people like Al Gore want to come to a campus where they'll be able to speak and have an impact.
Everybody in the audience here today has an opportunity to affect the world for better and to make change, especially when it comes to our climate crisis.
What gives you hope?
The young people give me hope, and the determination in their voices and in their hearts and in their eyes. I love that.